Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PHP with Apache step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your system has Apache installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. If you're using Ubuntu, update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Apache with the command sudo apt install apache 2. Once Apache is installed, check its status by typing sudo systemcll status apache 2. If the server is not running, start it by using sudo systemcll start apache 2. Now, it's time to install PHP. In the terminal, type the command sudo apt install php lib apache 2 mod php. This command installs PHP and the necessary module to integrate it with Apache. After the installation completes, restart Apache to apply changes. Use the command sudo systemcll restart apache 2. To verify that PHP is working, create a new file in the webroot directory. Navigate to the directory with cd/var/www/html. Create a file named info.php with the command sudo nano info.php. In the text editor, add the following line, php-info. Save the file and exit the editor. Now, open your web browser and enter the URL http://localhost/in. You should see the PHP information page displayed. If it appears, PHP is successfully installed and configured with Apache. If you don't see the page, double-check the configuration steps. Make sure Apache is running and that the PHP package is correctly installed. You're now ready to start building applications using PHP with Apache. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.